National Weather Service in CHEWANDSWALLOW has issued a tornado warning for the city limits of CHEWANDSWALLOW until 10:30 p.m. CHEWANDSWALLOW time. At 9:23 p.m. CHEWANDSWALLOW time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado made out of ketchup was located by food meteorologists in southwestern CHEWANDSWALLOW, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: damaging and incredibly messy tornado. Source: radar confirmed tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Unsheltered persons may also be smothered to death by the ketchup. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely. The National Weather Service in CHEWANDSWALLOW has also confirmed that this tornado is large and dangerous enough to completely destroy CHEWANDSWALLOW. Locations in the warning include CHEWANDSWALLOw. This tornado is accompanied by an incredibly strong storm of salt and pepper, which will dramatically reduce the visibility of the tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now in a sturdy shelter if you are outdoors. Mobile homes and homes on weak foundations should also be abandoned in favor of a sturdy shelter. If no shelter is nearby, lie flat in the nearest ditch and cover your head with your hands to save your life from the debris.